Hey guys, what's up? This is the Bull from the Bull's Garden. Today I'm gonna be building a hut for my one of my buck rabbits, and I'm gonna head down to this construction site to see if I can get some free lumber down there. Usually when they building the houses and stuff like that, they have leftover pieces that they discard. So you know, they're good for building rabbit huts. You don't have to go to Home Depot and get no wood and pay all this kind of money. I just go down to construction sites and get wood for stuff like that. So here I go. All right, so headed off to the construction site. I hope they get they're working and they got some scrap wood that I can pick up. You know, why go to Home Depot, you know, and waste your money when you know, for projects like this that you can, when you're building little stuff around the yard, you can get scrap wood at these construction sites that they're gonna just discard it anyway. So I'll put it to use building my rabbit huts. All right, we're almost here at this construction site. Hope they got some wood. I usually luck out over here. Usually they have wood laying around that they don't mind me taking, so we'll see. Trying to open our eyes up and look around, see if there's something around to take. Once I see something, I'll get out and I'll ask one of the guys if I could have some of the wood. I just don't take it, you know what I mean? I'll ask for it, you know what I mean? That way, if you ever need it again, you can come with confidence and I'll let you have it. All right, over here I see some stuff. I see they got some stuff inside the trash bin there, so you know, I'm pretty sure they're not gonna mind me taking some of that. Let me go park over here. Stay. Oh my goodness. Hope they don't see it. All right, I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna ask these guys there if I can have some of that wood that's laying down over there. So let's see what happens. Esa tabla usted la van a botar, ¿verdad? ¿Cuánto llevamos para? check this stud out. I mean, you know, it got some nails in it, but I can take those nails out, and I can reuse this to make a frame to make the rabbit hut. Hopefully I can fit this in the vehicle. Hi.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. How you doing?
Good.
Yeah, no, that's the guy. If I could have a couple of the scrap pieces, I'm making a rabbit hut,
Okay.
and I need a couple pieces. I can just jump in there and take it.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool.
Is it all right?
Yeah, that'll be fine. That's
Okay.
fine. That's
Yeah.
fine. All
So
right.
next time, yeah, I'm just making a rabbit hut. So, and I also,
Rabbits and things good.
yeah. All right, thanks.
No problem.
Yeah.
Hey! Hey, you ready for Scott orange paint? Yes. Okay.
Maybe I can get this piece right here. Yeah, this will work. All right, let me go get this one piece over here. here. This one got like a million nails in it. All right, I think I'm good. Hold on. Gracias, bro.
Ahí, espera, ya, espera.
Yeah. No me cabe ni en el carro.
No. Tú eres buena gente, no te preocupes.
Ya. Pero yo le pregunté, yo le dije lo que yo estaba haciendo, ¿entiendes? Una casita para un conejo. So, ahorita a poquito a comprar y no voy a conseguir ahí, ¿verdad?
Espera.
Ya está muy grande. Esta me queda aquí. All right, I think I got all the lumber I need from this construction site. See, so you see, I asked the guys if I could have it prior to start taking it. No issues. As long as they know that you give them some respect and you ask them for it, they'll give it to you. So anyway, I'm gonna load my car up, back to the house. All right, so I just pulled back into our neighborhood with the lumber that the people at the construction site was so graciously to give me, so that I can make this new hut for one of my rabbits. Pretty soon I'll be expanding, and one of the does is going to give birth. So I have to move my buck to a new area so I can give the kits, which are the baby rabbits, after they get weaned, an area to grow out in. So so that's one of the projects. I don't know if I'm going to start it today, but at least I got the lumber to get that project rolling. So back home now. Anyway, guys, back here in the driveway, got the lumber. Get this lumber out of the car and get it into my wood pile. However, I just want to ask everybody if you can be so kind to like and subscribe the video. It surely will help us to be able to continue making videos. Thank you.